And connectivity is our main core business because we understand the demand of our customers and the level of service quality and the customer experience they are seeking. We build networks factoring the experience at the center. We are working towards a goal of a full autonomy where network will be able to heal and optimize itself without any human intervention. I would like to stress on the importance of digital transformation to be part of the fourth industrial revolution. And 5G, together with AI, IoT, blockchain, robotics, and quantum computing, are what will lead us towards this revolution.